Hi, Amy. This is just a quick screencast to show how to get to SABA to register for a course. So if I go to the Georgian College website, I can look at the top right and click on Login. And in my options, I will go to the Employee Portal. The Employee Portal will open up. And at the top of the page, I'll be given some options, including Learning. So if I click on Learning, a few options will appear, including SABA. So I'm just going to click on that. And that will bring me to the SABA page. And from here, if I'm interested in particular offerings, I go to the Learning Library. And for our purposes, if I'm interested in an FLC, for example, a faculty learning community, I can filter so I don't have to go through all of the various faculty learning committees or faculty learning committees, yeah. And I can go down to the bottom where I will find UDL, for example. And if I click on that, that will bring me to the page for this particular FLC, where I'll be able to kind of get some information about the offering. And then at the top right, what I can do is I can enroll. You can also share it with a colleague. So if you were interested in this particular book club and you thought of a colleague that might also be interested, you can send them some information for it as well. So when you click enroll, you can go to pick a session or pick a session later. I'll say pick a session now. And then you can kind of go in and do your ad there by enrolling. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. Otherwise, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks so much.